Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool microphone here, and pretty much what this is a wireless microphone that's used as a karaoke microphone as well. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys saw my previous video, I actually reviewed a few other ones from this brand before, but this is one of the latest and newest microphones that give you guys so much more compared to that cheaper version. Like even when you guys look at the design of the product, it looks so much better and so much cooler as well, with a lot of different features on here. So first, let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and what's included inside. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, so let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, inside right here, you can see they do give you guys a case to store the product inside. And it does have the brand name in front. Top part right here, it does give you guys a very nice little handle for you to carry around. And when you guys feel the materials on here, it's like a hard shell case that's actually very high quality to protect your stuff inside, which is pretty cool. But let's open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So let's open up. Once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So I'm seeing there's a lot of stuff inside, but let's take it all out. So the first thing inside they do probably is a battery that's used for the product. So it's a AAA battery, and there is 2 of them. Next thing that we got right here is a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. You can see right here. So once you guys open up the user manual, you can see it does provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to use it and what's available for you. Next thing right here, they do provide this adapter in use with a USB-C to Lightning. Very convenient that they provide you guys this option. Next thing that we have right here, they provide the accessory that's in use. So this side right here is USB-C and aux, and the other side right here is USB-C. The next thing that we do have right here, they do provide the windscreen option that you put on the microphone. We'll just show you guys how to set it up in a second. Next thing that we do have right here is a little pouch, if you guys do open it. Inside they do provide the cable, which is USB-C to aux. And here we do have a USB to USB-C cable, and that is everything in the small little pouch. Now that we show you everything on this side, now to show you everything on this side. So the first thing on this side, you can see they do provide a remote. If you guys do open it, here's what the remote looks like. So feel free to use all the different options on here if you guys do need to. And they do have some more buttons on the side. Same thing on this side as well. And at the back right here, that is where you plug in the battery to use it. And if you guys are curious about how to use the remote control on here, they do tell you guys what each different button is for. And then last but not least, we do have the microphone. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right off the bat, when we do take it out, it does feel like a high quality microphone. Definitely feels a lot more high quality than the previous version that I bought from this brand. So the top part right here is a microphone that's in use. Throughout the slide right here is a speaker. Middle part right here, we do have a few buttons. So we do have a power button, we do have a mute button, a mode button, and FM button. If you see right above that, it does give you guys an indicator light to show you guys each different mode or each different section that's in use in terms of REV, EQ, and volume. And then right here, you see we do have the brand name. Here we do have an indicator light to show you guys the battery percentage on here. And we have to go to the bottom right here. That is where some plug-in cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And it also has an aux option for the plug-in cable there as well, if you guys want to use it. And that is everything that's on the product. So the way how they designed this product is a wireless microphone. They do have a wired option available as well. If you guys prefer the wired option, feel free to get that instead. But obviously, if you guys get the wireless option, it's so much better because you do have the option to use it wired or wireless. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that not only can you guys sing music on here, but you can use it as a speaker. And you do have the option to record stuff on here and connect it onto your FM radio on your car, which is pretty awesome. And obviously, just like any other karaoke microphone, it does have the effect option or sound effect. And there's many other features available on here as well. But first, I'm actually plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So I do plug in cable. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here in the bottom, it does show you guys that it's charging. So right now it's 4 out of 5. So it's pretty much fully charged already. If you guys try to turn it on, it does work. If you guys do unplug the cable, it still works. So you do have the option to use it wired or wireless, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys do test it out, if you guys can hear it, it sounds pretty good. And feel free to adjust different mode on here if you guys want to turn on or turn off the echo or the different effects. So if you guys want to change the different mode on here, you guys want to press on this button.
Master mode, professional mode, karaoke mode.
So those are different modes available. Let me test out to show you guys what it sounds like. So this would be karaoke mode. If you guys can hear what it sounds like. If you guys do the next one,
master mode.
This would be master mode. If you guys can hear what it sounds like. Now try the last one.
Professional mode.
So this one will be professional mode. If you guys can hear it actually sounds pretty good when you guys do use it. And if you guys do press on FM, you can see how it does have different channels available for you guys to choose when you guys do connect it. So really cool to give you guys the FM mode as well. If you guys want to adjust the volume setting on here, you guys want to press this button. You can see, very easy and very simple for you to change it. If you guys want to change each different setting one by one, you guys want to press this button for each one. Same thing for other ones. So you do have the option to change all of them together, or you can change it separately like this. And you see right there in the middle, it does have a Wi-Fi blinking option. So what you guys want to do is connect onto Bluetooth. So let's do that first. Alright, so we got connected. And you see how it stops blinking? Alright, so if you guys do play the music on here, let's see what happens. Alright, so when you hear the speaker on here is pretty good. It does have dual speaker on here, one right here and one this side. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does allow you guys to connect it onto two microphones if you guys do want to. So that way, if you guys want to do a duet, you do have the option available, which is pretty awesome. But in here, when you do use it, it actually sounds really good. So feel free to actually adjust the different setting on here in terms of what you guys want to use. If you guys want to increase or lower the volume, turn off the echo, change the different effects, feel free to change all that on here. And feel free to adjust everything on here on the remote as well if you guys do need to. And for whatever reason, if you guys need to reset the device, if you guys are running into issue, you guys can press and hold the REV, the ref button, and that is how you guys factory reset. And for the remote, when you guys use it, if you guys click on the button on the bottom right here for any of them, let's see what happens. So those are different sound effects that's included for you when you guys use the remote control. I don't think you guys can control it on here. It's only on the remote control. But really cool, I should give you guys those sound effects if you guys are interested in using it. So right now, just put the battery inside. If you guys do test it out.
Professional mode. Karaoke mode. Master mode.
Music off. Music on.
If you see it does work. So really cool, I should give you guys the option to control it manually on here. Or you guys can use remote control. So that is everything that's on the product. Now let's connect it on the actual car to show you guys when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here and we're currently in the car. Let's test it out to see how she works.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
Let's try to use the FM option. So I'm changing it to 87.5 radio station channel. So it doesn't look like we have that, so I'm gonna change to a different channel. So use the next one, 88.5. All right, we got 88.5. All right, so once you guys got connected onto your car, now you guys ready to start using it. What I recommend is that you guys want to turn off the volume by pressing the volume button.
Music off.
So that way you can use the volume in the car. So test it out. So if I do test out in the car, if you guys can hear the speaker is coming directly in the car, it's not from the microphone anymore. If I do turn out the mode, let's try again.
Music on.
Now we have music mode, and I turn on the speaker on here, and you guys can't really hear it from the actual car anymore until you guys turn it off.
Music off.
And once you guys turn it off, if you guys can hear it's back in the car again. So if it's here, that actually does work. And if you guys want to play a song on here, let's see what happens. If you guys can hear it does work, and it's coming from the microphone right here when you guys do have it connected. So very easy and very simple for you to use it, and we see it does work. Doesn't take that long to connect it. So really cool, I should give you guys the option to connect it into your car if you guys want to. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product, and definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. So really cool how to give you guys the option to connect it onto your car using the FM radio station. So that way you can literally use this anytime and anywhere. Wherever you guys decide to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But it's travel friendly, if you can see. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wireless karaoke microphone that give you guys so many different specs and features on here, and also give you guys the option to connect it onto your car and so much more, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you want these, that basically don't buy one. And save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.